Hi there, Scott here from SC Electrics. I've been asked to do a wee review of GripIts on behalf of Expert Trades. If you haven't seen these wee things before, they're plasterboard screws. They're quite good wee things. Today we're going to be using the red ones because we're hanging a plasterboard up in my office. They're handy wee things. I'm through the magic of TV. I've already got this out. As you can see, there's wee fins there on the back. If a camera will just adjust to it. You can see there's wee fins there on the back. You basically put them in so the wee fins are sitting on the tops. Put them in so the wee fins are sitting on the tops, and then you turn here in the front so the wee fins open out. If I can get that to do it like that. So when you open it up, that's what holds in the wall. And they are designed to hold quite a bit of weight. The red ones here I'm using, designed to hold 74 kilos. As you can see, it says along the top. The instructions for them are quite simple. It's all written on the back. Now this is a great wee set, it's a wee starter set. It comes with all the size you could ever need. They're handy things, they're quite a permanent fitting. You have to drill a reasonably large hole. So they're not the sort of thing if you normally just stick a simple screw in the plasterboard and drive off with, well, tail light warranty. This is for jobs that you want to hold quite well. It does say the blue ones hold up to 113 kilograms. I don't know if I'd trust much plasterboard to hold that, but they might argue with what they say on the packet. So, first thing we're going to do is we've already marked up the wall because super efficient. We'll drill a wee hole here. And we're using here, this is an 18mm bit, as it says in the packet. So all we do is drill a wee hole. In case anybody's wondering, yes, we have already checked for cables. Yes, I know where the joists are, and I know there's no pipework behind this. Once you get that up, you realise you forgot your hammer. Give me a second. Get your hammer, which you miraculously find downstairs on the kitchen table, where the wife's been moaning for the past 2 weeks. That's where it's been sitting. And you basically put the plug in the wall. Push it in gently, make sure your wee fins are closed after you've opened them. Just push it in and a wee gentle tap. And that's them in. The only problem I have with these is there's a wee lip. But to be honest, it's not so much that's going to be a big showstopper for you. Once that's in, you put a screwdriver in and turn it. And the wee fins in the back will open out. And that will then hold tight. So we'll get the other three in. And there we go. Nice, quick and easy. All we do now is we get our nice board and we screw it on. As you can see, that's swapped quite well. They do hold a wee bit of weight. These ones here, they do only hold 74 kilos. I wouldn't exactly swing on it, but they do seem quite secure. The pipe-board's up, it's not going anywhere. So, do I like them? They're not bad, but there's a few wee issues as you can see here. As you can see here, if you're not sitting with something that will cover the GripIt, it is still visible afterwards. The screws that come with them, which you can't really use anything smaller because they won't fit inside the hole, are quite large, but number 8 screw, which for some things you're doing is a wee bit big. Another problem found, if you happen to be really, really unlucky, like me, and hit a noggin, you can see it can actually cause a wee bit of damage trying to get it in. Now I was very, very lucky, I literally hit the edge of the noggin, but I actually wasn't able to get to the centre of the plug. It does hold, it's in quite well actually in all fairness, but it's not the way it's supposed to be. But we better filler over that, you won't see it. But hopefully you'll find them useful. So I don't know if they're much better than most other things out there, but why not give them a try? They're not the most expensive thing in the world. Thank you all very much. This is Scott for Expert Trades. Talk to you again soon.